Hand sewing is an art form that's over 20,000 years old.
But now we have
The sewing machine.
invented by Isaac Merritt Singer in 1851. This textile machine is used to stitch fabric using 2 spools of thread and an eye-pointed needle. The awl, it makes the holes in the fabric so that the needle can go through.
At 250 stitches per minute,
That's 15,000 stitches an hour.
this lock stitch mechanism outstitches the efforts of 5 hand sewers. This machine has a reputation for speed.
You can make all sorts of things.
Sweaters,
Shirts,
pants,
skirts,
bow ties.
and much, much more. By using this machine, you can make your own clothes, which will save you money.
Or you can sell those clothes and make money.
Either way, you're going to be a whole lot richer.
So go out and buy your Singer sewing machine today. George Stephenson was a civil and mechanical engineer who built the first public railway line that used steam locomotives.
The first public railways were the Stockton and Darlington railways. He built these in 1825.
These 25-mile railways were intended to connect various cities. Stephenson designed his first steam-powered locomotive in 1814. It was designed to haul coal.
The flanks on the wheels were grooves that allowed the wheels of the train to grip to the tracks. These tracks were first made of wood, but then developed to iron. Railroads are a much faster way of travel.
So forget those horses and buy yourself a train ticket.
Are you feeling out of the loop?
Well, it's time to get back in that loop by using the radio.
Invented by Guglielmo Marconi in 1895.
The radio is a combination of the telegraph and the telephone, but unlike those, the radio is wireless.
A radio receives audio, speech, and other data invisibly through the air using radio waves.
Radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation.
With a radio, you'll be the first to know what happens when it happens. Feeling clueless?
Well, that's not okay.
So
Go out and get your radio today.
Are you sick and tired of getting headaches while you travel? Well, now we have a solution. The pneumatic tire. This inflatable tire was invented by John Dunlop in 1887. This rubber device covers the circumference of the steel wheel, and it cushions the rider from the bumpy roads and reduces wear and tear on the wheel. Even child actor Billy Coca uses these. Now that's a quote to live by. So if you want to be cool like Billy Coca, go and get yourself some pneumatic tires.
Are you tired of forgetting things you've seen?
Well, now it's time to capture those memories with
The camera. In 1829, Louis Daguerre first started perfecting the camera, which was a mechanism used to obtain permanent images.
a camera. Generally consists of a lens in the front, which gathers the incoming light and focuses the image on the recording plate.
He also developed the daguerreotype process, which is the first practical method of obtaining a permanent image. It produced direct positive images on a silver-coated copper plate.
We all grow old,
Our memories fade
so we need to capture those moments.
while we still can.
So go out and get yourself a camera to preserve those memories forever. Have you ever not been able to see in the dark? Well, now, thanks to Thomas Edison, inventor of the light bulb, we can. Thomas Edison developed the light bulb in 1879. It consists of a small carbonized filament and an oxygen-free glass bulb. It produced heat by using electricity to heat the filament until it got hot enough to produce light.
Forget those candles! After all, as Edison said, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.